Hey everybody, welcome. In this video we're going to look at using reflexive verbs in Spanish in the present tense. The theme will be around morning routine. So what I want you to do is, first, if you haven't yet learned how to do these verbs, use the video that is linked in the description, and you can go watch a video, learn how they work, and then come back and then we'll do this activity together. So you're going to do two things for each slide. There are a total of 10 slides. First, decide what reflexive verb I'm going for, and then two, you're going to see if you can conjugate that verb in the present tense. So this first one is the verb to wake up, which is despertarse, despertarse. And despertarse does happen to be a stem changing verb where this E is going to change to an IE. So yo form, if I want to say I wake up, I'm going to say yo me despierto. The yo is optional, of course. You can't just say yo, or you can't just say me despierto. All right, slide 2, we have a different image, so try and decide what picture or what word do you think this picture represents, and it is to get up. So that word is levantarse. I don't know why I drew that line right there, that was weird. So levantarse is to get up, and I'm going to put it in the to form, and that would be te levantas. Tú te levantas, so you get up, would be that, tú te levantas. By the way, these are all AI generated images, if you're wondering where I got them. This one is to take a shower, which for some reason the shower is outside of the bathtub. It's getting this floor all wet. So to take a shower is ducharse. So if I want to say he takes a shower, I'm going to say él se ducha. Él se ducha. Okay, in esta foto, we have the verb to bathe. So to bathe, if you know how to say bathroom, to bathe is pretty easy. It's bañarse. Okay, and we're going to put it in the nosotros form, and that would be nos bañamos. Nos bañamos. So that's we take a bath. Nos bañamos después de trabajar. We take a bath after showering. Or after working, sorry. Okay, in this image, we have a person drying off. So the verb to dry off is secarse. So I want to say they dry off, and that would be ellos se secan. Ellos se secan. Okay, in this image we have someone brushing their teeth. So there's a couple ways I could say that in Spanish. My students learn cepillarse los dientes. And cepillarse is to brush. You can also say lavarse los dientes if you want to. We'll just do this one since it's a little bit shorter. So the yo form of that would be me lavo. If you did the other one, it'd be me cepillo. All right, in this image we have somebody brushing his hair. So we just saw that to brush in the other slide was cepillarse. So we're going to use that verb. Cepillarse el pelo, at least to brush your hair. So I'm going to use the to form, and that's going to be te cepillas. Te cepillas el pelo. You brush your hair. All right, so here we have someone putting on makeup. To put on makeup is the verb maquillarse. It's kind of a weird one, huh? Maquillarse. So if I want to say she puts on makeup, I'm going to say se maquilla. Ella se maquilla. All right, so this one is supposed to be either he's putting on his pants or he gets dressed. Let's do both of them. So to get dressed is the verb vestirse, and this one's also a stem changing verb where this E will change to an I, but it's in the nosotros form, so we don't have to worry about that change. Or we could say putting on his pants. So to put on, like clothing, is ponerse, and then we'll say los pantalones for putting on his pants, pantalones. All right, we'll do both. So if I want to say we get dressed, it's going to be nos vestimos. And then if I want to say we put on our pants, we're going to say nos ponemos los pantalones. Nos ponemos los pantalones. All right, last one. We got some people washing their hands, and we got they. So I want to say they wash their hands. So to wash is the verb lavarse. And if I want to specify their hands, I'll put that in the sentence. So it's going to be ellos se lavan las manos. And yes, manos is a feminine noun, las. if you didn't see that. All right, hopefully this helped a little bit. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, adios.